Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am so excited. I have chosen the digital that will be in this kit and in the Spring Blossoms kit, and I am so excited. But first I have to show you, this is the little card that I made using the, what is that called? Checkerboard. I can't think of what it's called. But this index card. graph paper index card. And then I added one of the little squares that came from that, the 9 pieces you'll get, or 9 little squares, and I cut one of the squares out and I added some lace and a flower. You will be getting a piece of lace. It's similar to this in your kit. Let me see if, oh, it's not over here. But you will be able to use that. You are getting the flowers. And so I just stitched, if you saw that video, I finally got it stitched. I just stitched this on, and then I stitched the pocket onto the card, and so that is ready. And then I also frayed the edges, so I don't know if you can see that, but I did go ahead and I just pulled out the threads, and once you get the bottom pulled out, it's really easy to pull the sides, as long as it's not the one that's on the selvage. So and selvage is the edge of the material. So that is a pocket I have ready for the book that I'll be making. I am so excited. I can't even tell you. So this is the digital download. You will get it in a JPEG file and a PDF file, so that you'll be able to use it in all different ways. Okay, and that was my dream, to be using these postcards. Eventually, I want to be, take them apart and do things with them in Photoshop. But right now, I want you to be able to have, these are the authentic, all the blemishes and everything, the postmarks. If they wrote on the front, that's what you're going to see. And so we have this envelope. They're all 4 postcards. They're from early 1900, before 1917. I think the oldest the newest postcard I have is 1917. So they are antique postcards. This one, an envelope with the lilies of the valley and the ribbon. This one has oh my gosh, it's so neat. There's people in a boat right here, and a cottage, and then the chrysanthemums, I think, actually they might be, I think they're a chrysanthemum type daisy, actually. They might be like a weed though. This one here looks like it's a lilacs. And then the little boy, and he is got his hat in the air, and he's got a little envelope, and it says the flowers bud and bloom. And oh, I can't read it. Oh, and I'm like you, round this fond heart of mine. So anyway, it's really cute with the flowers, and it matches the blue and the yellow and the pink. And then I was really excited to find that I did have a card that had a basket with flowers in it. So so you get the pink, the white, the yellow, and the blue, the color theme that's going on in this book. Then you also have the edge to be able to use. And I'm using postcard paper, so we will they will come apart just like this. And then again, you can still use this here. So I'm hoping to be able to use the postcard paper. Then you're also going to receive one of these. So this is, I took the JPEG and I printed it. I sent it to, I wanted to print it, and then I told it I wanted 4 4x6s or 3.5 by 5s, and so this is what I got. I got 4 of these. So you're going to receive one of these in your kit. Okay, so this is what you're going to receive, and then you're also by email going to be able to have the digital download for these files. Okay, so when you see these in Etsy, they're going to show them with a watermark, and the ones you're going to receive are not going to have a watermark on them. So you will be able to use them in your paper crafts. You can go ahead and just print it out and make sure it's the right size, and you could send this as a postcard. I think that would be kind of fun. Send out an antique print of an antique postcard. So there you go. That, I am so excited. I hope you're excited about these. And oh gosh, I am so excited. I do really quickly want to tell you that there is going to be tickets inside your kit. Okay, you're gonna get 5 of the white tickets, and that was part of the kit. It's just automatically it's part of the kit. But what I decided was that I was gonna take one of these stamp sets that I got. I want to find the one with the flowers. This one. Okay, so this one with the flowers, I'm going to give that away. And it'll be to somebody that has purchased the kit. Will receive this. It'll be after the kits go out. You'll have to tell me. You know, I will tell you what the number is, and then you'll go ahead and say, show it to me. Show me a picture, and so we'll have that. And then I have 2 others will be receiving the an extended kit to this kit. So it's some items that I got, and I didn't have enough that I can put it in, because I don't have as many kits as I'm making. I don't have as many of those, and so I have a couple of those little additional kits that I'm making, and I'm going to give away 2 of those, so they will go along with this. So this stamp set, you could win this stamp set just because you purchased a kit and you have the right ticket in your kit. Okay, so and as for the other ones, and I believe I have some others on the way. So I have some of these stamp kits. Well, I know I have that one. And this one, this one. Okay, and I'll have more than that, but these 3 for sure. For the Saturdays in February, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to show you, I'm going to use my stamps, and I'm going to do something with my stamps, and then I will give away one of that stamp set in that video. So please, if you you'll just want to comment. It's called Saturday Stamp Away Giveaway or something like that. I have it. You'll see it. Okay. For the Saturdays in February, I will be giving away some of these Hampton Art stamp sets that we're finding at Dollar Tree, but many people have not been able to find them. So, yeah. So you'll want to watch for that on Saturday. Stamp away, Saturday stamp away giveaway, something like that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're as excited about these. I think they're absolutely beautiful, and they are going to look amazing with this kit. I mean, I cannot believe, well, I can't believe this, how well this kit is coming together. It's like it was meant to be. You know, I found this material, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. I can't wait to work with it. So, again, the kits will be live in my Etsy shop at 4:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow, February 1st. That's 7:00 Eastern Standard Time. It is free shipping. Free shipping is through February 5th. I'll be changing my Etsy shop. I'm going to have to charge for shipping. It's complicated, but to be able to have some of the items that I want to have in the shop, I actually had I had a sale. If I'd have shipped the item through Etsy, I would have paid to sell something. I would have paid. So to be able, I'm just gonna do it that way. And so there you go. And it's gonna depend on where you are, you know, like pretty much like everybody else. I'm sorry to have to do that, but so free shipping if you purchase this before February 5th. And there is a limited supply. It looks like there's gonna be at least 20 and possibly 30. So limited supply on these. However, the digital download will also be available, and right now I'm working on the backs of the postcards. So you'll also, in the digital kit, you'll also get the backs of these postcards, or at least 3 of them will be on the PDF, because the way it works is these end up bigger on the PDF. And the PDF is kind of cool because I don't know about your computer, but my computer, I'm able to turn it to grayscale and print it out in black and white like I did that Loretta. And they turn out really pretty, you know, doing it in grayscale. So, so anyway, JPEG and PDF, the 4 postcards and the 4 backs. And then in real physical, you're going to get a set of the postcards like this, and one of these that has the 4 little ones. So when we do the mini book, you'll be able to use these in the mini book. And also, I'm going to probably put one of these on the cover of that little notebook that I made for the envelope. So I think that's pretty exciting. And the way that I get these is I just go, like I said, I print it, I go to the documents, and I right click inside the document. Okay, I put my cursor on the document. Not with, it's actually, and I right click and I hit print. This is in the JPEG format on my computer. JPEG format, right click, print, and over on the right hand side, it gives me the choices of 8.5 by 11 printed on 5 by 7. You can even do wallets, so you could have really tiny ones of these as well. And I'll make one of those just so we can see what it looks like and show you. But that's how I got these. So you could go ahead and print it on to 4. So I am so excited. What is your favorite? I really love all of these so much. I almost cried when I, for reals, when I saw these two in there in my book. And then this one, because it just, you know, it gave me all the colors. And as you can tell, I'm just really excited. So I hope you're excited too. I really hope to have 30 of these kits. And that's all there will be. There will be no, oh, maybe I can add more. There's only going to be 30. And I will have a walkthrough of the kit later today. So watch for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe and share, because this is kind of cool. Yay! Bye.